Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a crochet stitch tutorial, and the stitch that we are doing is the double scale stitch. And this is what it looks like here. I thought that it was a beautiful stitch and it would be amazing for afghans, for table runners, for scarves, for all kinds of really cool different projects that you might have. It could be an embellishment at the bottom of an afghan, as long as you are working in multiples of 7 plus 4. Now to start this from a base chain, it is 7 plus 4 plus 1. And that 1 is our turning chain to create our very first stitch. Now for this particular pattern, I did 1, 2, 3, 4 repeats of the pattern. Now, I'm going to slide that out of the way, and we're going to place a slip knot on our crochet hook. Now I'm just using a lighter worsted weight and a 5mm crochet hook. You're going to chain in multiples of 7, then add 5, so the plus 4 plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do at least 2 repeats. So I'm going to chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now we need to add 5 more. So our plus 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to single crochet into the second chain from our hook. So here's 1, here's 2. And I'm working into that back loop of your chain. Single crochet. Now we're going to skip over 2 stitches, and into the third we're going to place 3 double crochets. So skipping the next 1, 2, and into the third place 3 double crochets. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to chain 3, skip 3, and single crochet into the fourth. So 1, 2, 3 chains. We're going to come back down here and we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into that fourth chain. And now we're going to repeat. Skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third we're placing 3 double crochets. One, 2, and 3. And now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth, place a single crochet. Now you're going to skip 1, 2, and into this last stitch, you're going to place 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and single crochet into that very first stitch. Now we're going to skip over the next 2 stitches and into the single crochet from the row below. You're going to place 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to chain 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip the first 2 chains of our chain space here, our chain 3, and into the 3rd chain you're going to single crochet. So skip 2 chains and into the 3rd place a single crochet. Now we're going to skip over the next 1, 2, 3 stitches and into that 4th stitch, which is our single crochet. From the row below, you're going to place 3 double crochets. There's 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 1, 2, 3, and again we're going to skip the first 2 chains, and into the 3rd chain place a single crochet. And now we're going to skip over to that last stitch, which is a single crochet, and we're going to place 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to repeat. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into that next stitch, or the first stitch, I'm sorry, single crochet into that very first stitch, and skip over the next 1, 2, and place 3 double crochets into the next stitch, which is your single crochet from the row below. It's 2 and 3. Chain 1, 2, and 3. We're just repeating row 2. Oops. Skip 2 chains and into the 3rd chain, place a single crochet. And skip the next 3 stitches and into the 4th, which is your single crochet. Place 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. Now we're going to chain 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip the first 1, 2 chains and place a single crochet into that 3rd chain. Now we're going to hop over to our last stitch down here, skipping 1, 2, 3, and into that last stitch, which is a single crochet, you're going to place 3 double crochets. And we're just going to continue to repeat this row over and over again until you have your desired pattern. I'll bring this one back over one more time. I thought that it was a beautiful stitch. Again, this is the double scale. If you enjoyed this pattern tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you've used this stitch previously, let me know what you've used it for. Was it in a cardigan or an afghan, or maybe something as small as a table runner? I would love to hear what you use this stitch for. All right, everyone, that's it for this stitch. Be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.